Hi everyone, this is Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's all by Donna. And I would like to take this time to thank Claire's Crafty Corner, for inviting me and everyone to this open collaboration for Christmas. I am so excited to be here. What a great opportunity for so many artists. Thank you so much, Claire. I really appreciate it. Here's everything you'll find in my project today, and down below in my description. I already mixed up my 1:1 J-Diction resin. I'm now proceeding to make these little baby roses that I'm going to use at the top of my beautiful ornaments. This is the rose red holographic glitter that I'm adding into the resin. I'm crushing up some dried rosebuds and some dried jasmine into the resin to make a beautiful little design in the ornaments.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey. Yeah. The snowman's dusting off his hat, putting on the show for everybody, to give them a smile that lasts another year. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. The snow is laying 2 feet deep. Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true. There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is,
Here is the
when
next step
children are
in these
singing,
ornaments.
yeah.
Putting these little
Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah. There's room at the
roses that I made.
big and for small. All the fire is
Attach
popping,
them
chestnuts
over here.
are cracking.
And I have these are like little cameos.
Merry Christmas, baby.
And these are made from Tonic. And I have these many, many years. And I have a floral set. I have a cameo set. And I have a fairy set. And I'm gonna think that these go back at least 5 years, if not more. So I took one of each, and I'm going to attach them to these ornaments because I think that the colors fit in nicely with my little flowers here in the background. And let's see what we can do. First, let me attach these little flowers before I attach this. I may want to paint a little UV resin onto these flowers and fairies. I'm gonna see in a moment. Be right back. Okay, and I'm just putting one little drop of UV resin. And I think I want to put this little rose right there. And I don't want it straight. And I'm going to put this one. I want to put them on the back side. I'm going to turn this one around. And I'm going to put this one going this way. Put that little drop here. Put that right there. And this last little piece here. going to put that for 3 minutes. And I'm going to shut you off because I don't want you to hang out there for 3 minutes. Okay, I have my 3 little pieces down. Here I'm adding some clear cut glass, some eye candy Aria white with my Yeiho UV resin, and I'm mixing that all up. Now I am going to speed this up 20 times for you because this video is getting quite long, and all I'm doing is placing this UV resin, cut glass, and eye candy over these beautiful Cameo pieces and putting it under the UV light until it's thoroughly dried. When they come out, you are going to see something totally magical. Here it comes. Wow, can you see that? Wow. It looks like ice. Oh my goodness. How gorgeous is that? These are stunning. And here's the next one. Magnificent. Wow. Amazing. Can't believe that I can make this. Somehow I missed taking that third piece out, but here are all the pieces, and they are absolutely beautiful. I think so anyway. I wish you would let me know in the comments below. I love this project. It was fairly easy. I think you'll agree. Please let me know in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe today. I would love to have you back again if you enjoyed what you saw here today. Thank you, Claire. I really appreciate what you've done for us. Please be sure to give Claire a visit. I'll leave her link in the description below. You'll also find a playlist below for all the wonderful artists in this collaboration. This is Donna from Hollywood, California, signing off. Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays. Thank you for being with us. Till next time. Bye-bye now.